In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a white background picture in Canva. If you're looking to create clean professional images with a white background, you've come to the right place. Whether you're working on a personal project or something professional, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into Canva. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is quick and easy. Just head over to Canva's website and you'll find the option to sign up. Once you're in and all set, it's time to get to the fun part, editing your image. You'll want to start by opening your design. So navigate to the home page and select the design you want to work on. This might be an existing project or something new you're starting from scratch. Either way, when your design is open, the next step is to click on the image you wish to edit. This is the starting point, as we're focusing just on that one particular image to alter its background. Now, an important point to keep in mind is that you'll need Canva Pro for the next step. Canva Pro unlocks the more advanced tools you'll need, such as the background remover. If you haven't upgraded yet and think this feature might be useful on more than just this occasion, it might be worth considering. Navigate to the top bar area of your Canva workspace after selecting the image. There you will find an option labeled BG Remover. Clicking on this will automatically begin the process of removing the background behind your image. Canva will do its magic using AI technology to neatly separate the subject of your photo from the background. Once the background is stripped away, you'll notice that it doesn't automatically turn white. You'll need to make an additional adjustment to set the background color to white. For this, click anywhere around the canvas outside of the image area. Look for the background color option that appears. Clicking on this will allow you to choose from different colors. Simply select white from the palette. And that's it, your image should now have a crisp white background, ready for any presentation, social media post, or other creative project you need it for. This process is a fantastic way to give your images a professional finish, and once you get the hang of it, it can be done in a matter of moments. If you need any additional touches or a more refined edge, you can use some of Canva's other tools to perfect your design further. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling confident in giving your images a clean and polished look with a white background using Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.